$86,400. That's how much I want to give you every single day. If I did give you that much money, that'd be a life changer, right? Not too many people in this world make $86,400 every single day. What would you do with that money? Would you buy a home? Probably, right? You might buy a car. I mean, $86,400 every single day. That's a lot of money. There'd be a lot of things you'd probably want to get, right? But eventually, you'd start running out of things that you'd want to purchase, and you'd start thinking, how can I invest this money? I don't care if you're Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates. You could even be the person who cleans the floor of Bill Gates or Warren Buffett. God has given every single person on this earth one resource that is exactly the same, no matter who you are. And that resource is time. That $86,400, that's not money that you're given every single day. That's 86,400 seconds every single day that you have that they're going to be spent. But what are you investing it in? Do you invest it here? Trash? YouTube? Facebook? Video games? I'll tell you what, I spent a lot of my life investing time in this trash heap. It's not a good feeling, but you can make a change. Because if there's anything that I've learned in this life, is if you're not progressing forward, you're moving backwards. You're not getting anywhere closer to the goals that you can set for yourself, spiritually, personally, and professionally. It's like this guy climbing this mountain. And if he decides to take a pit stop, guess what? He's not getting to the top of the mountain. If you decide to just sit on the sidelines with anything that you have in your life, whether it's drawing closer to God or healing a relationship that was broken in your family or trying to change your financial future of your family, what if there was a way that you could take control of the success that you have in this life? Would you want to listen?